How much revenue are you leaving on the table every day because your phone steals your focus? Imagine 90 quiet minutes that move more dollars than 9 noisy hours. Apple, Tesla, and top creators rely on this state. Today, you get the simple system to reach it and tie it to income. Strong visual hook needed now, fast cuts, bold captions, and money visuals to stop skips. The flow state is not hype. It is a period of total absorption where the task is clear, feedback is immediate, and your actions feel precise. Minutes feel fast, output is high, and mistakes drop. In this video, we will build your daily setup, prove it with case studies, and map it directly to revenue so this becomes a practical business habit. Here is the problem: most people try to focus in environments designed for interruption. Research shows a single interruption can cost around 23 minutes to fully regain momentum. Stack a few and your workday vanishes. Just a quick note, this is my analysis and experience, not financial or mental health advice. Use these ideas carefully and adapt to your context. Case Study 1: Elon Musk during Zip2 and PayPal. Public accounts describe marathon coding sessions, phone off, clear objectives, long blocks. Zip2 sold for about $307 million, and PayPal was acquired for $1.5 billion. Correlation is not causation, but high-value breakthroughs often came from uninterrupted sprints. The takeaway: protect long windows for a single measurable outcome. Solution: start the flow budget. Use a 90/30/5 circuit, 90 minutes deep focus, 30 minutes admin, 5 minutes reset. Choose one lever that moves money: landing pages, offer building, sales scripts, editing, prospecting. Before you start, write a clear target: what will be done and how it will be measured by end of the 90 minutes. Quick question for you: when do you get your strongest focus, morning or night? And do you keep your phone in another room during deep work, or face down on the desk? Drop your approach below so we can learn from each other. I am adding a comment below animation now to lock in ideas and boost discussion. Case Study 2: Mr. Beast. In public interviews, he describes 8 to 10 hour no-phone sessions on titles, thumbnails, and edits. That level of focus compounds across a team and a catalog. The result: over 200 subscribers and 9-figure annual revenue across ventures, according to reports. Clear targets, tight feedback loops, and long blocks translate content into a real business. If this state is so effective, why do most people fail to hold it beyond 10 minutes? The answer is simple: the task is vague, the stakes are fuzzy, and the environment invites distraction. Fix these 3, and your attention stops drifting. Next, we convert these into a checklist you can apply today. Flow Trigger Checklist. 1. Specific target output, 1 line. 2. Immediate feedback, timer, live preview, reply rate, edit render. 3. Slight difficulty stretch, about 4% beyond current skill. 4. 0 notifications. 5. Visible end time. Put this on a card near your monitor and read it before each session. Task surgery: separate thinking from producing. Plan in a 15-minute slot, then execute in the 90-minute block with no changes to the plan. 1 tab, 1 tool, 1 metric. For writing, that might be words completed; for sales, qualified replies; for editing, minutes cut. This removes friction that breaks focus. Let's tie this to money. Build a simple flow ROI. Example: a consultant books 4 qualified calls from a 90-minute outbound block. Close rate 25%, average profit $1,000 per client. Expected value for that block is $1,000. Over 4 weeks, that is about $4,000 from 4 sessions. Not guaranteed, this just helps you compare blocks. Breathing room. You do not need a perfect setup to start. Pick one high-value lever and schedule a single 90-minute block this week. Write the target on paper, silence your phone, close your door if possible, and run the checklist. The first win builds confidence for the next block. Case Study 3: 37 Signals, Basecamp. The founders popularized long focus cycles, very few meetings, and asynchronous communication. Profitability and calm operations let them grow without chasing constant emergencies, as shared in their books and blogs. Their structure protects deep work so teams can ship meaningful updates with less noise. Clear rules created consistent output. Environment protocol, phone in another room, full-screen app, noise control with headphones, and one visible timer. If you work at home, tell others your end time and place a sticky note on the door. If you are in an office, book a small room or use a status light. Reduce choices, raise clarity. Energy protocol, hydrate, light protein, and a 3 to 5 minute walk before the block. Keep caffeine moderate if it suits you and your health, consult a professional if unsure. Room at a comfortable temperature, chair adjusted, and a clear desk. Small physical checks prevent fidgeting and keep attention on the work. Reset protocol, when attention slips, stand up for 1 minute, breathe slowly, and look at a distant point to relax your eyes. Then read your one-line target again and continue. Avoid opening new tabs. This reset keeps you inside the block without starting over. Here is your flow sprint sheet. Sections: 1. Date, time window. 2. One-line target. 3. Single metric. 4. Start/finish counters. 5. Quick notes on blockers. Print 5 copies for the week or save as a template. Use the same layout so your brain recognizes the routine instantly. Cliffhanger question: what if your role is reactive, support, sales, operations, where messages arrive all day? Flow still applies. You will shift from all-day availability to short, predictable response windows. Next, we will box the noise without hurting service quality. Reactive roles plan. Set 2 public response windows per day, for example, 11:30 and 4:30. Outside those, run protected 90-minute blocks with a status message that states your next window. Keep one emergency channel for true urgent issues. This preserves deep work while maintaining reliable service. Money link, continued. If one 90-minute block yields an expected $250 of value using your formula, 2 blocks per day across 4 days could approximate $2,000 in a week. This is a planning estimate, not a promise. The goal is simple: protect the blocks that pay and measure their impact. Common obstacles: kids at home, shared spaces, and meeting-heavy calendars. Solutions: communicate a visible end time, use noise-canceling headphones, and move one non-essential meeting into an async update. Stack 2 90-minute blocks per week at minimum. Consistency grows output even when life is busy. Measurement: track 3 numbers weekly: hours spent in protected blocks, outputs shipped, posts, pages, calls booked, edits, and revenue or qualified pipeline linked to those outputs. Display the counts on a wall or screen. When the counts rise, you keep the system. When they fall, adjust one variable at a time. Recap: choose one lever, run the 90/30/5 circuit, lock the flow trigger checklist, and calculate a simple flow ROI. Use the sprint sheet for 7 days and review your numbers. If results move, expand to a team process. If they stall, refine your target, metric, or environment, 1 change per week. Final step: commit to your first 90-minute block in the next 24 hours. Type your time window in the comments and what output you will finish. Subscribe for more case studies and templates, and share this with one person who needs a real focus system. Your future income benefits from what you schedule today.